Jake from Technic Media. Today we are here at CES 2013 and we have the flagship device from ZTE which has been recently announced. This is called ZTE Grand S. This device has got around 5-inch display, the 5-inch capacitive touch display. As you can see right now, the quality of the display is quite amazing. The display is IPS LCD display, and then if we talk about the processor, this one has got Qualcomm processor. And if we talk about the camera on the back side, here we have a 13 megapixel camera with an LED flash, and here we have a hole for the mic. If we take a look at this side, here we have the volume rocker, here we have the tray for the micro SD card with which you can actually expand the storage of the device. The device comes with an inbuilt storage of around 16 GB, and I will just show you how much of that is actually available to the user. Here we have a micro USB slot for data syncing and charging, and if we take a look on the other side, here we have a SIM card tray slot in which you can actually insert a micro SD SIM card. If we talk about the RAM storage on this device, the RAM is around 2 GB of RAM and the internal storage is 16 GB. Let me just show you the overall interface. This is how the overall interface looks like. This interface has been optimized to a great extent. It has been customized to a great extent to give you a custom look and feel, to make the phone more usable. Let me just go into settings. If you want to go into setting, basically I can go from here, and let me just show you the storage. So the inbuilt storage is 16 GB, and out of which around 11.91 GB is actually available to the user for installing application and other things. If we talk about the RAM, I can just show you the RAM. So the RAM is around 2 GB of RAM, out of which around 1.1 GB is actually free right now. If we talk about the front camera is 1.3 megapixel camera, but I'm not sure. Okay, it is the 2 megapixel fixed focus camera, and on the back you have a 13 megapixel autofocus camera with flash, and this is how the device looks like. This is going to be a very promising device from ZTE which should come in 2013. The overall UI of the device, the display is quite amazing. The quality of the display is quite good. This is how the dialer look like. The overall device is quite good. If we talk about the Wi-Fi connectivity, this one has Wi-Fi connectivity as well, 3G as well. This one has assisted GPS as well. As far as the sensors, it has accelerometer sensor, proximity sensor, ambient line sensor. Here we have the accelerometer sensor over here, and that's it. So this is how the ZTE Grand S looks like. It comes in different colors. As you can see, here is the red color, this one is the white color. You do have it in the black color as well, and the grey variants. So you have different color variants of this device which will come. Let's see when this device will come out. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.